Hello everyone, my name is Sally and welcome to Cybersage Security. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and dangerous vulnerability in web applications: insecure file upload combined with MIME confusion. This is one of the most common ways attackers try to gain access to a system, escalate privileges, or even completely compromise a server. Let's start with the basics. Many web applications allow users to upload files like profile pictures, documents, PDFs, resumes, or even videos. This feature is very common, but if not properly secured, it can open the door to attackers. An insecure file upload happens when the application does not properly validate or restrict the types of files being uploaded. For example, if a website expects only image files like JPG or PNG, but it also allows someone to upload a PHP or exe file, that's a major problem. Because the attacker can then upload a script, and if the server executes it, they essentially gain remote control over the application. This is why insecure file uploads are classified as high-severity vulnerabilities in OS. Now let's add the second piece of the puzzle: MIME confusion. When files are uploaded, web servers and browsers use something called a MIME type to identify what kind of file it is. For example, a JPEG image or JPEG, a PDF file application or PDF, a JavaScript file application or JavaScript. The problem comes when the server or browser is tricked into misinterpreting the MIME type. Here's a simple example. An attacker uploads a file called profile, PNG, but inside, it's not really an image, it's actually malicious HTML or JavaScript code. If the web server only checks the extension, PNG, and not the actual content, it will think it's safe. Later, when someone opens the file, the browser may execute the hidden code. This confusion between file extension and MIME type is what attackers exploit. Let's imagine a real-world attack. A social networking site allows users to upload profile pictures. 2. The attacker uploads a file named avatar, JPG, but it actually contains malicious PHP code. 3. Because the application only checked the file name and extension, not the content, it accepted the file. 4. Now, the attacker can directly access this file on the server. 5. But since it's actually PHP code, the server executes it. Boom! Remote code execution. Alternatively, in MIME confusion attacks, the attacker uploads a file disguised as an image. The browser is tricked into rendering it as text or HTML. Suddenly, the malicious script runs in the victim's browser, leading to cross-site scripting, XSS, or session hijacking. So why are insecure file uploads and MIME confusion so dangerous? Remote code execution (RC). The attacker can take full control of the server. Defacement. Malicious files can alter website content. Malware hosting. Hackers can upload malware and trick others into downloading it. XSS via MIME confusion. Malicious code runs inside a victim's browser. In short, a poorly secured file upload function can lead to a complete system compromise. Now let's talk about defense. How do we prevent these attacks? 1. File type validation. Don't just check the file extension. Actually inspect the file headers, also known as magic bytes, to confirm the content type. 2. MIME type checking. Ensure that the MIME type declared by the browser matches what the server expects. 3. File storage best practices. Never store uploaded files in a web-accessible directory. Store them outside the web root and serve them through a secure handler. 4. Rename files. Instead of keeping user-supplied names, Rename files with random UUIDs to prevent attackers from accessing them directly. 5. Restrict executable files. Block dangerous file types such as PHP, JSP, EXE, SH, JS, etc. 6. Content disposition headers. When serving files, use content disposition attachment so the browser downloads the file instead of executing it. 7. Virus malware scanning. Scan uploaded files with antivirus tools before storing them. These measures, when combined, greatly reduce the risk of insecure file upload attacks. To wrap up, insecure file uploads and MIME confusion are extremely dangerous vulnerabilities, often underestimated by developers. But with proper file validation, secure storage, and careful handling, we can turn a risky feature into a safe one. Remember, never trust user input, and this includes uploaded files. Thank you.